All right, guys. Good afternoon, people, world, whoever, wherever. Welcome back to Half-Ass 709. I am home early. Well, one day, just for today. I came home last night on a DOT hours of rest day. So I decided to come home and just to get out of the heat from down there. Down there where I'm staying was 102, so today is supposed to be like 105. And yeah, it's supposed to be like 97, 96 here. So I'd rather be here than over there on my day off. So with that being said, I got a lot of stuff done on the bike. The only thing I didn't do and forgot to do, and we'll probably see if I can order, is I might have to order this air box. But if not, it's not the end of the world. But we got all the plastics off, gas tank off, got my new bars installed, new grips. Yeah, I thought I was going to move them back here. I did move them back there. Sat on the bike, and no, not for me. So I did end up rotating this. I believe, nope, left it basically all the same. So, yeah, I got the front fender off. We got this off and this off still because I'm going to get a single switch that's going to go just on the one side, start and stop, because I have, or whatever, we have the Get ECU selector here. So yeah, he had it taped to map 1 down. But finding more things, need wheel bearings in the front wheel, shifter shaft seal is leaking. That's what the wetness down there is from. I did put in a new UFO plast chain guide and chain glide, and then the little piece here that I had extra. I do have to order a sprocket. This is a 50 tooth. I wrote it upside down because I was counting upside down. So 50 tooth there. And I don't remember, I didn't count this. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, how am I going to keep track? Dumb. I was just going to keep going around. But it's a 300 tooth. So we'll mark it. So that one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's a 13 tooth, which is stock. I do notice that basically first gear is non-existent. So I'm going to go with a 39 or 49, probably 13. Mainly to get a little more speed. So the smaller you bring this, the faster the more top end you get basically. So I'm going to keep 13. I might even go 49, 48, 49. So yeah, sprocket, the chain was trashed. Even though I thought it was good because there's so much crud and so much buildup, it had no side play. Because I don't think it ever been cleaned. But yeah, other than that, everything else looks good on the bike. I do have a bunch of wiring coming. I'm going to try to make my own harness. Blinker, taillight, stoplight. So I have a pressure switch coming for the rear, which I don't know how this one works. Oh, okay. That's basically what I ordered. A pressure switch, and then it'll go to the wiring. I pretty much ordered everything that this bike would take because I think 18 to 20 was the same-ish for these bikes. So if not, I do have the whole light harness from this bike. So I did order a key, a cylinder and key, because I want to put an ignition on this bike. And yeah, so it's going to be like this until I can figure out blinkers and stuff. I thought I had extra wraparound blinkers like this one has. These doohickeys, I thought, I don't know where they're at. Probably in a box somewhere. But yeah, ordered a new front tire because this tire is trash. This is a Shinko 9121 MC 57R, and I'm going to put this tire on. It's a Kenda Kenda. Is it Kenda, right? Yeah, it's a Kenda Trackmaster. So I don't know if this is the Trackmaster 1, but the one I ordered is a Trackmaster 2. So this tire will probably need to be changed as well, because I'm getting a lot of sharp edges. So anyway, but yeah, I got the grips replaced. Do have an air filter. I do have a new O-ring chain. This is all pretty much trash, but whatever. Oh, I ordered these. I changed them already. These were orange. Changed those already. These are for the switches. And I ordered threaded inserts like these ones. You gotta tap it, and then do whatever. But this is the rear under thing. These were the chain slides. Pretty beat up. This one wasn't too bad. I did have to press the sleeve out and reuse it. This one is pretty much trashed. So OEM KTM. So the lights on the back of this fender, they were just disconnected. So we'll have to figure that out. I gotta swap this mirror over. I'm keeping that mirror. These are just stock KTM stock bars. I don't think they're bent or anything. And then we got the chain. So when you start seeing flat spots on that chain, that means the chain is pretty bad. And look at how gummed up it is. So anyway, that's what we got. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I got plastics coming. Oh, I did get graphics. So these are the graphics I went with. From factory backing, they're having a 50% off. But those are the instructions. $287 rental, chained wheel, rental. Yeah, factory backing. I wanted to get rid of the factory backing like I did this bike. This bike was supposed to come with it saying factory backing right here. And I asked them to remove it. However, when I asked these people to remove it, they said it was going to be like $99 an hour. And 1 hour minimum. So I was like, I'm good. But these are the same graphics. I did forget, or maybe they forgot to remove it off of here. But whatever, graphics have been holding up good on this bike. So these were new plastics. So I went with white on this bike too. So instead of the gray and red, that is just black and white. And then I'll have other weird little accents into it. Read this. Oh, by the way, this guy who, oh, I don't know if he did it, but man, the suspension was so jacked up. So in my riding video, when I first took this bike out, I mentioned it was so stiff, it didn't have compression. I think I did. So this one was all the way in. So it's supposed to be 15, it's supposed to be 13 to 18 clicks out, 13 to 18 clicks out. This one was 2 clicks out, 0 clicks. Rear suspension, this was a half a turn out. It's supposed to be like 1 to 3. I put it at 1, 1.5. I think I did 1.5. Compression, that's supposed to be same 13 to 18 clicks out. He had 2 clicks out. Rebound down here, he did the same thing. He had, I think, 1 click out. And so I backed him out. So I got 14, 14, 1.25, 1.5, 14, and I think I went 16 on here. Those are his settings. Compression, 16, rebound, 15, 5 weight oil. What is that? Spring, 4 point something, height something, and date 3/1 of something. I don't know, I can't read it. Anyway, so yeah, he had all his clickers all over the place, all messed up, which is why it was so hard for me to ride, so stiff. Like I was hitting rocks, and the front end was like just all over the place. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here. It's hot. I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna relax. I think I either gotta go to work tonight, drive back tonight, or I gotta drive back in the morning. I haven't figured that out yet. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.